It is December 28, 2021. This one here I got a call from a guy. He's got a gas furnace, and it won't fire up. He said he can smell gas, but it's not firing. It's an American Standard Freedom 78. So it's an American Standard train type of unit. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we get this guy's heat going for him. Hopefully it's nothing serious. Go give it the how you doing, Miss Molly? Oh yeah, you go give it the how you doing, Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you want body? You're gonna do body bumps, Miss Molly. Yeah. Looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you're looking very stylish today. So it's probably, it might just be this igniter. We should check that first before we do anything. Jeez, a crusty one, Mr. Winch. I guess that igniter. Let's check the igniter. I'm going to check this for ohms, see if we, this igniter, I do have these in the truck. It's kind of a weird size, it's a special, but you got a chipper.
Yeah.
Batteries. See if we got any ohms here. Yeah, that's our problem, open line. Our problem right there. That's an easy fix. Man of my calibration. Yeah. Man of my calibration.
Sorry?
I said a man of my calibration, I'll fix this thing.
You're much more qualified than I am.
I have them right in the truck. That's a common item.
We're wondering why it was so cold this morning. And then going the whole day, it's like, wasn't even thinking about it.
There we go. It's got a little crock in it, see it?
Yep.
That's,
all it takes, huh?
I think that's the American Standard. I'm not sure, but I think I got that same one on the truck. Let's see. Alright, so I got one that's off a ream. That's the same connector. It's the same thing. It's for a ream. It's going to be the same. We'll use that one. Use a chirper. I should probably clean this flame sensor while I'm here too. You can see the other one was got a crack in it. See the crack? No good. While I'm here, I'll check this flame sensor. Probably oil the inducer motor too while I'm here. Won't look bad while I'm here. Scotch Brite or a dollar bill or something's all you need. You don't want nothing too abrasive. That don't look bad. That don't look bad. At least this one's easy to get to, the flame sensor. Usually they're a problem. Usually they're a problem. I'll plug that back in and we'll start it up and see what happens. He's a chirper. Ignition. Flame sensitive, so that's all it was. All that. There's a tripper. Replace all surface igniter, clean flame sensor. Got AC on here. Well, dead coil.